Oh, yeah, Norwegian Sunset. Am I sharing my screen? I am not. Let's watch this. Let's listen. I'll walk through how to figure this song out live. If it works, great. If not, we'll skip it. So, ba 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 ba. Some rapid chord changes. This person's very talented and a beautiful accordion, a Brusini. Let's keep listening. I'm assuming you could hear the YouTube video. Let me know if not, and I could play with the audio. I can modify it, but let me know if you can hear it, if you can't hear it. Let's see what this person's doing. I saw that he was holding an A minor. Is that what's happening? F, G, C, beautiful. So I won't do a full analysis of this, but just to give you some hints. This song, it's interesting. I'll keep these chords up for a minute, the Army Dreamers. But this song, I'm listening and I'm hearing an A minor, E7 to the F, G, C. You'll notice that Army Dreamers has really similar chords. It has the A minor, check. It has the F, check. It has the C, check. Right, the beautiful thing with accordion, one of the most beautiful things, is that our Stradella bass system, despite looking like someone threw it down without any logic, the song contains these chords. I'm only gonna play with these chords, with these 6 chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chords. A minor, E to the F, G, C. There might be a D minor in there as well, but I kind of know that those are the songs. There are so many songs with this chord progression. I'm thinking right now of Moscow Nights. A minor to E to A minor, E, A minor, G, C major to F to the C. We just covered, sorry, it's very tiny. We just covered these chords. I can make this a little bit bigger. Dark Eyes, Ochechornia, E7 to A minor, to E7 to F major. Right, these chords are always found together. So that's what I'm basing my, that's how we're picking up the song so quickly. Let's keep listening. Beautiful. La da 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 da. Back to A minor. To A minor, D minor, turnaround, B7, E7. Could be a B diminished, but I'm going to play a B7. Right, Beautiful. Let's keep listening a little bit, and then I'll just discuss what to do with a guitar player. Cool. A, E, A. We can assume that it keeps going. Beautiful playing. This person's tone is beautiful. The rhythm is really fun, right? Those of you that attended a rhythm and groove workshop in April, we discussed this irregular rhythm. It's not a waltz, it's not an oompa, it's not a tango, but it's more, right? Yeah, very, very cool.